We're not at Magnificent Greens no more. You don't see no tents in here. We are officially in our hotel room for Tomorrowland.
Fuck camping.
Fuck camping. Not us. Tomorrowland tour. So this right here is the cafe buffet area. So this is where they have obviously breakfast, lunch, and late night, midnight snacks. I'm going to show you what the spread looks like. This is the lowermost level of the hotel. So then we'll work our way up. This is ground zero. And they do change up the food every day, but there's pretty much like some type of pasta, some type of meat and stuff. This is the breakfast spread. It's the first time I'm seeing it. This is day one. Look at all the bread.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay. Here. Drink fridge, got sodas and waters. Okay. Juice. Alyssa was asking about a latte. And like a little, I guess, cereal bar or something. So now we're walking out. And this place is cute because they have like the little signs, the little Tomorrowland signs telling you everywhere to go. And over here is just more of a breakfast area. All the people of tomorrow having breakfast and lunch together. So we pretty much just saw this over there. It's the same kind of like breakfast setup as the other side. We're just all breakfast. Okay, so we are on the south wing, the lower level floor. These are the elevators I've been taking. It brings me down to ground zero and tells you where the cafe is. If you go through here, that was that full tour we just did. Just gonna show you the rest of the hotel. Bar area. Like activities to do during the day. Bom dia. Our Tomorrowland signs. I guess this is like a little store to buy little necessities, I guess. Sala de Jugos playroom. So normally this is a proper resort, so obviously there's going to be a lot of other things here outside of just Tomorrowland stuff. Gym. And then there is Steve. I love the people of tomorrow. And then there's a full like little day spa. Novotel Resort. So let's just go outside. Oh my! Área de relaxamento. It's a little warm.
Yeah, it's a lot of places. Yeah, 22 million people. That's crazy.
That's so many people. Deck bar. Let's go in. That was like a kiddie pool. I don't want to walk around. Okay, pool area. walk through like the inside of this. So no, this is the other side of it. I'm gonna look over here at the views. We got some activities out here. It's too hot though. Well, first of all, even if it wasn't hot, I would not be out here in these courts. Let's be for real. Right, I'm taking the elevator up to the 3rd floor. That is like the lobby level and also where I'm staying. So in the elevator is all these cute little Tomorrowland reminders. 3rd floor. Oh, it's so cute because look at the elevator doors. Front of the hotel, the Novotel Itu. So it's normally a golf resort. Let's go. Entrance of Tomorrowland. So this is where you pick up your Tomorrowland package, wristband, hotel package, all the things. I guess we can come out here. Now we're gonna go the direction of our room. Sitting area. And then they use these little badges to get in and out of the room. And that's it.